Are you struggling enough while traveling in a public transport during rush office moments? Well, this can be very exhausting, and any kind of delays in such transportation can cause issues, like late for office, meeting or more. If you are looking for a comfortable solution for traveling which can help you to reach your destination on time, then hire the yellow cab service. Can't figure out which one is the best yellow cab service provider near you in Euless, TX? Book your ride from Texas Yellow Cab and check a taxi service. It is well known for offering prompt cab service, anytime, anywhere in and around Texas. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, cleaned and well maintained to provide utmost safety and comfort to their passengers. With them, you can enjoy on-time pick-up and drop facility. They have a team of highly skilled and professional drivers who always try to follow the best possible shortcut routes so that the passengers can reach their destination within the estimated time. And of course, their yellow cab fares are highly affordable compared to the other local cab services. So, stop wasting your time. Dial 817-881-6863 and book your ride now. If you have any further query, visit them at https://bigtexascabs.com/